Hello everyone, my name is Faiz from 10F and this is my Physics 1 project. So for this term, we were given the project focus question, which is how to transform the new world with the magic touch of physics. The main idea of this project is for us human beings to be prepared to enter the new era after a global virus pandemic with the helping hands of physics to transform and reshape the world into becoming a place where all living things and human beings can live normally and in harmony again. The big question for this term is, why is rationality an essential skill for a visionary leader? The outcome of this term that we're going to learn is what is fluid, pressure, Pascal's principle, buoyant forces, Archimedes' principle, ideal fluid, and last, Bernoulli's equation. The one that I will be focusing on is the last one, which is the Bernoulli's equation. So, the SDG that is related to my project is SDG number 9, which is industry, innovation, and infrastructure. This is because my project could help in the industry sector and help people be safer in their houses. The title of my project is How Does the Velocity of Wind Affect Pressure? The problem that I chose for this project is rooftops on houses being blown up in case of a tornado. In this project, I want to come up with a solution related to fluid mechanics on how to help make houses safer in case there's a tornado. So, this is the reason that I chose this problem. From the statistics, we could see that in the US alone, in 2020, there is 1,248 cases of tornado happening. With such a frequent natural disaster, I want to propose a solution to decrease the damage of the tornado done to people's houses. After researching about the problem that I chose and relating it to the outcome of this term, I have found out that the actual reason for rooftops being blown off in the midst of a tornado is because of the difference between pressure inside and the outside of the house. The pressure inside of the house is higher than the outside because the velocity of the air inside is smaller. This is called the Bernoulli's principle. This is what I will be focusing on to solve the problem. So, this is the solution that I came up with to solve the problem. To solve this issue, we have to equalize the pressure inside the house and the outside of the house. To do this, we need to increase the air velocity inside the house to be greater so that the pressure wouldn't be far off. This is a sketch that I made of my solution. On the top, we could see a green box that I called the detector. This works as a detection system if there's a huge gust of wind. It will detect the wind and it will send to the receiver, which is the aircon inside, and it will send air at a great velocity so that the pressure inside the house and outside the house wouldn't be far off. What we could learn from this project. So, from this project, we could learn that problems around the world could be solved or fixed by implementing physics. Every day, we would find physics affecting things in our daily life. But by using physics, we could find new angles to problems that is normally hard to solve. That is all for my video. Thank you for watching.